See how to make this simple swan. So for this we required only 3 colors of different types. First let's take white one. I'm taking white dove. Now try to prepare a small stick by using your hands. Just gently press this and form. So if you will do with one hand, it will be easy, 1 or 2 fingers. Just press where you are feeling more mass, so that the mass will be distributed gently. See? Press more here. Okay. If everything is in equal shape, then we can start doing the swan. Okay. So the length depends upon your shape. Okay. Now we are going to twist this. Okay. So for the reference we have this, so use that for the reference, and just take this and keep it round, and then take this and move it to the bottom like this. Is it okay? Right? So you can just press this and just keep this thing. You can see here more. Okay, so just do this. Okay, now you can use different colors. So here I'm taking pink eye and orange nose. You just do a small circle, and if you want you can press it like this and keep the eye and push it inside. Okay, and then take the orange one, make a nose. Okay, just press it, keep it in the bottom. Okay, yes, we are done with the 2 swans. Is it simple? Right? Yeah. So if you want more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.